Lately I just wanna show up and body some shit, yeah. Always been a little mathematician, but lately this cash I'm getting got me losing count of these bags. I've been moving too fast, hard times don't last. Remember when cops are rats talking out my ass? Boy, you ain't shit but a bitch with a badge. All my life they be trying to keep me down.
Canada.
Marwana bakusaphuma mandeni khawukhawu
Le bheka esilimo sothi mandeni ayilwanga wena legwala le. Cha.
mara
Yabule pha ngiwasaba sinzi lana.
mara yafana musi yabona ngishayile ngempama
Ubhekile ushaye bani?
lesanya le
Ungasibafana umkukile wena uzoyenza.
bezongitshaya
Moyo umshawulele. Amafana abona manje.
ngicine havu
Yabona mama rasilisalo hlenga lezi ngisithengisele singabobani mfana ya mfana. Salisama ngeke. Mfana ya.
nani ntwana le angithaphela le ntwana manje ayilande ntwana
Ayilande.
afetha nyangisa mara
Hayibo sujikelana esawa yini? Lande phela.
uyathusa
Uyathusa awuselandeni sonke ofisi.
silandeni sonke le ntwana ekhaya
Seyathukile.
Ukula bafana.
Ya sayifuna lokho.
Sabeleyo esikole.
Kodwa esikonterini asingayela boy phela sina sawe. Ebafana simashe ntwana.
bafethu ithi sibayi le ntwana ya siyahada esikontirini mina kiyisaphi
Trying to better myself, trying to better my health, but all my life they be trying to keep me down. All this time, never thought I'd make it out. No.
Tadi yang soal utin si maraboyan. Ano kung mayroon kayo babaspalaan, ipandas na kayo.
Wala nga siya galiwa dah. Yung ngat ba siya ito na yan?
Kan may buwan ang tuwan. Asbuhay.
Kita na may late ini yo.
Ay na relax. Don't you.
Ngazazi zabo fana.
Funa ukulimala siyena mfana. Asfalto na.
Yeah. Mara bafit. Ban siya kanjan bafit. Wena musa wena mfethu.
Amarata na sami. Asoba mo next time. Ano mga tilo para pa na
I've been stuck between maybe retiring and feeling like I'm just not hitting my prime. These days, seeing rappers be dying way before they even getting they shine. I never even heard of Lil Buddy. Now I'm on the phone searching Lil Buddy name. Got her playing his tunes all day in my room. Thinking, damn, this shit wicked to get their names buzzing. Some niggas just gotta go lay in a tomb. And media thirsty for clicks. I got a new rule. If you ain't ever posted a rapper when he was alive, you can't post about him after he get hit. It's simple, it's the principle. On any tempo, I'm invincible. Don't even rap, I just vent to you. I'd rather that than an interview most days. Fuck them all like I'm going through a whole phase. Young niggas shoot out the whip like road rage. I pray all of my dogs stay so paid, and the only thing to kill them is old age. All my life they be trying to keep me down. All this time, make it out.